to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a rotor that is stuck on the hub assembly without damaging it. So let's go ahead and get started. To complete this video, all you're going to need is an 8-inch claw puller. And then, to be honest, I don't even know what this is called, but these come in a set if you have a hub assembly pulling set where you have all the different adapters. This is one of the adapters here, and basically this right here will go onto the hub assembly, and then you can go ahead and then take your claw right here and attach it like that, so that way you have a good firm push off of that assembly as you're pulling the rotor. And then you'll need a ratchet and then some penetrating oil, and that's all you really need to get this done. Okay, what I've done is I've attached the claw extractor to the back of the rotor, as you can see it right here, and then there's another one right there, and then one down here at the bottom. Went ahead and put the adapter here connecting to the hub assembly right there. You could also use it to where you're pushing the actual axle rod, but I like to do it this way, that way it's more of a firm push. And now what we've done, everything's connected. You can see how we have it. So the next thing now is we're going to start tightening this. Now you want to make sure that you saturate everything with penetrating oil, as I did, and if there's any rotor screws or bolts holding it in, make sure obviously you get those off as well, so that way we can pull it. So I'm going to start tightening now so we can see if we can pull that off and extract it. Hold that, tighten that real good, keep tightening it. There we go. It looks like it's moving it. Got it. I think we got it. Still a little tight, but at least it broke the bond. Give it a little pull. You can see there, this thing was really seized on there really good, but got it off. All right, well that pretty much wraps up this video on how to pull a stuck rotor off of the hub assembly without damaging it. I hope this video was informative for you. I hope it helped you out. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.